Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion, let me thank Kuber Mohanta. His contribution you can see that. Thank you Kuber. I highly appreciate your contribution towards us. And I also thank Subarna Mahabhui for his contribution towards our channel. You can also contribute. The link is there in the description. Our vision is there in the description. So, coming to the point of our today's thing is demotivated, feeling demotivated. आपण मानक मध्यरु बहुत जन मते मेसेज करते इवन कथा भी हुए कि एग्जाम होनी कौन हबो व्हाट विल हैपन and there is a kind of a demotivation. So you supposed to overcome this demotivation. आपण मानकु समस्तंकु ए जेतिकी सब डिमोटिवेशन अछि, डिस्ट्रैक्शन अछि, जेतिकी सब नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स अछि, से थारु बाहर को आसीबा को पड़िबो. केमिति आसीबे आपण जेतो गोल सेट करिवे, आपण फास्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग आपण निजर गोल सेटिंग करि नाहंती. जदि आपण डिमोटिवेशन आसुची माने आपण को टाइम मिलुची जे आपण भाबिबे. जदि रियल सीरियस एस्पिरेंट जदि आपण थांते तो आपण कोन करनते गोटे गोल सेट करथांते. आज किछि नहले आज मु एतिकी पोर्शन कंप्लीट करबी, आज किछि नहले आज एतिकी मु पाठ पढिबी, आज किछि नहले आज मु एतिकी लिखिबी. जदि आपण कंटीन्यूअसली ए सिचुएशन रे थांते, I know that there is so much of a negativity which is happening all around. We know the dates are being postponed of so many exams. So don't feel demotivated. Take this time to strengthen your all the weak areas. सेटा आपनकर ऑप्शनल हे पारे, सेटा आपनकर एसे पेपर राइटिंग हे पारे, सेटा आपनकर जनरल पेपर राइटिंग हे पारे, सेटा आपनकर प्रीलिम रो प्रिपरेशन हे पारे. So never to feel demotivated. Set goals, hourly goals, daily goals, then weekly goals, then monthly goals. When you will set this kind of a goal and set hourly targets, as I have already given you the 7-day planner, and you have already, if you have already made that particular planner and following it religiously, then there is no point of demotivation. आपण को डिमोटिवेट हबार किछि कारण नाही. आपण कंटीन्यूअसली निजर एफर्ट करि चलंतु. आपण निजे पढंतु, मॉक टेस्ट अपियर करंतु. वी हैव स्टार्टेड ए वंडरफुल मॉक टेस्ट. सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव एनरोल्ड. वी आर गिविंग 40 high quality GS paper 1 sets at 599 rupees. So without delay you supposed to be joining something so that you do not get distracted. Distraction ही सबुठु बड़ डिमोटिवेशन फैक्टर. आपण दी चारटा सांग सहित कथा हेले, आपण तो जतिकी नेगेटिविटी थिला प्लस से मनुष्यटार भी नेगेटिविटी आपण को से पास करिवो. सो when you are in a very tough journey like Odisha Civil Service examination, you supposed to be having a single point agenda of cracking the exam, setting goals and tirelessly working hard to achieve that goal. When you will continuously in a process of learning and achieving in a growth path, you supposed to be following this particular process. So आपण माने बुझी पारथुबे कि टोटली आपण को डिमोटिवेशन होबार किछि कारण नाही. गोल सेटिंग करंतु, ट्राई करंतु कि डेली किछि उटे अचीव करिवि, किछि नुआ पढिबि, नुआ इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर करिवि, आ सेटा को मु ये करिवि. By the way, yesterday I have wrote wonderfully about toppers answer writing blueprint. Do look forward to that. We have crossed 10,000 words in the book that I am writing. It is going to be a phenomenal book. Means it is going to be the go-to guide for all the Odisha Civil Service aspirants. There is nothing in this type of book which is available in the market. Nobody is even thinking about this kind of a book, but students are facing problem. This particular book is going to be the solution to all your problems, especially the mains. It is specially focused for mains. so it will be the helpful guide. Today we will be discussing master key set number 22. Very important discussion. If you want, you can join. As I have already told you, it will cost you 599 rupees. 40 high quality set. Many have joined. Without delay, do join it. Then, which state government recently signed an MOU with a Cambridge University to improve the English proficiency of teachers and students through training program? Means they have contacted with Cambridge University and they have this program. Is it Kerala? Is it B Tamil Nadu? Is it C Andhra Pradesh? Is it D Punjab? It is C Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has contacted with Cambridge University for improving the proficiency of English. Then, according to ISRO's plan for the decade 2021 to 30, in which year will first solar mission of ISRO, Aditya L1, to be launched? Aditya L1 to be launched when? Is it A 2021? Is it B 2022? Is it C 2024? Or is it D 2025? Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is 2022. Remember, Aditya L1 2022. It is going to be launched by ISRO. So, which organization agency recently bought out its report titled The State of Food and Agriculture 2020? They have brought out this particular report. Is it A, World Food Program? Is it B, United States Department of Agriculture? Is it C, Food Corporation of India? Is it D, Food and Agriculture? The answer is D. That is Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Let me know in the comment box, where is the headquarter of FAO? Where is the headquarter of FAO? Then, which state government has recently signed an MOU with an international digital health and artificial intelligence research collaborative to develop digital technologies in health sector? Is it A, Punjab? Is it B, Himachal Pradesh? Is it C, Uttar Pradesh? Is it D, Kerala? The answer is A, Punjab. Punjab has signed MOU with International Digital Health and Artificial Intelligence Research in order to make this digital technologies in the health sector in the state. Punjab has collaborated with this. Then, which country sent the most foreign direct investment equity inflows in India during April to September 2020, according to Department for Promotion for Industries and Internal Trade? Is it A, United States of America? Is it B, Singapore? Is it C, Mauritius? Is it D, United Arab Emirates? The answer is B, Singapore. Highest foreign direct investment India got from Singapore. Remember this. Highest foreign direct investment India got from Singapore. Then, the United States Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare is observed in which day? Is it A, November 7? Is it B, November 19? Is it C, November 23? Is it D, November 30? The answer is D, November 30. November 30 is the day when United Nations Day for Remembrance of all chemical warfare is observed. Then, who among the following was recently named as the Asian of the Year 2020? Is it for his contribution fighting the COVID-19 pandemic? Is it A, Adar Poonawalla? Is it B, Jack Pang? Is it C, Sonu Sood? Is it D, Jang Yongjan? The answer is Sonu Sood. You know, Sonu Sood is doing phenomenal work, especially for the migrant workers. Even during the second wave, he organized oxygen supply and ensured ICU beds and means giving remdesivir. So many good, wonderful. This kind of a people are needed because people who are no asking for help are more. People for extending the helping hand are very less in the society. So this kind of people are very much appreciated. So Sonu Sood is the answer. Then D. Which one of the following spacecrafts was recently in news for collecting first rock samples from the beneath the space surface asteroid Ryugu? Is it A. Pioneer 11? Is it B. Hayabusa 2? Is it C. Ulysses? Is it D. Osiris Rex? The answer is Hayabusa 2. Hayabusa 2 is the spacecraft which is used for collecting first rock samples. First rock samples are being collected by Hayabusa 2 from the asteroid Ryugu. Then, which was the largest solar project of a highest altitude recently established? Is it A. Jammu and Kashmir? Is it B. Ladakh? Is it C. Arunachal Pradesh? Is it D. Kerala? The answer is B. Ladakh. B. Ladakh is the place where largest solar power project at highest altitude. Largest solar power project at highest altitude. Remember, is it Ladakh? Then, which country recently hosted 27 APEC Economic Leaders Summit 2020 recently? Is it A. Singapore? Is it B. Vietnam? Is it C. Malaysia? Is it D. Australia? The answer is C. Malaysia. Malaysia is the country which is hosted 27th APEC Economic Summit 2020. Now coming to the second last question of the day. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains the powers between Union and the states? Very important question. Is it A. 5th schedule? Is it B. 6th schedule? Is it C. 7th schedule? Is it D. 8th schedule? You know, Union and all the lists. I have mentioned that in many of my videos, even the schedule video, that the schedules are mentioned, and especially schedules are very, very important. And this particular thing is, it is 7th schedule. So answer is C. 7th schedule. Let me know in the comment box how many items are there in the state list. Then finally coming to the last question of the day. Who among the following express the view that the Indian Constitution is federal in as much as it establishes what may be called as dual polity? Means this particular gentleman has said Indian Constitution is a federal, and as much as it establishes may be called as dual polity. Is it A. H.M. Servile? Is it B. K.C. Ware? Is it C. B.R. Ambedkar? Is it D. Ivor Jennings? The answer is C. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar has said this, that Indian Constitution is federal as much as it establishes dual polity. So this was the completion of Master Key set number 22 discussion. If you want it, you can have it by saying hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address. It is there in the description, abisoi27@gmail.com, abisoi27@gmail.com. It is also there in the about section too. And a big announcement is what? That if you really want, you have to spread my channel. If we will achieve 200 more subscribers, I will upload another free set free of cost for my YouTube subscribers. My current subscriber base is around 1370 something. So if it reaches 1500, I will upload another free test for all of you guys. So spread as much as you can. With every addition of 200 subscribers, I will be giving you one free set for all of you. So this big announcement is all my YouTube subscribers, spread as much as you can. It is going to be helpful for you also, and for all those people who are willing to appear OS examination and lack guidance. Thank you very much. Happy learning.